Prepare to be captivated by Ban Gioc Waterfall, an awe-inspiring natural wonder nestled amidst lush green mountains. Here, thunderous torrents crash into emerald pools, creating a misty spectacle that enchants every visitor. Beyond the falls, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of borderland villages, where ethnic communities share age-old traditions through music, dance, and colorful handicrafts. Savor local specialties like sticky rice with grilled river fish and sip on fragrant herbal teas as you watch daily life unfold along tranquil riversides.